Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. I hope you get a nice day. Before you watch this video, you can click a subscribe button. It's a red color on the screen. So I just want to show so you can see the next interesting video in this channel. So I just want to show you the rattan plantation fruit. That's the rattan plantation in this jungle. You can see the rattan thorn over there. This the rattan fruit over there. Hang on over there. A lot of rattan fruit. This is traditional plantation in this jungle. Rattan fruit. So rattan plantation is used for the chair. Some the manufacturer made rattan plantation become the chair in Indonesia. There's a rattan fruit, rattan plantation in this jungle. So be careful if you want to touch. That's because there are a lot the thorn, rattan thorn. That's the mayang petal. Okay, bye bye.